situation. You've all had direct contact with the N.B.Es.
N.B.E?
Non-biological extraterrestrials. Try and keep up with the acronyms.
What you're about to see is totally classified.
Dear God, what is this?
We think when he made his approach over the North Pole, our gravitational field screwed up his telemetry. He crashed in the ice, probably a few thousand years ago. We shipped him here to this facility in 1934.
And you didn't think the United States military might need to know that you're keeping a hostile alien robot frozen in the basement?
Until these events, we had no credible threat to national security.
Well, you got one now.
So why Earth?
It's the Allspark.
Allspark? What is that?
Well, yeah, they came here looking for some sort of cube-looking thing. Anyway, Mr. N.B.E. here, a.k.a. Megatron, that's what they call him. He's pretty much the harbinger of death, wants to use the cube to transform human technology to take over the universe.